加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hello, everyone. It's time for another round of Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase 幾點 What time?
幾多點
幾多點 What time is it? What time? OK? 我剛剛這個口氣有點在罵人哦。跟你講，我突然間想到幾點這個東西是在小時候啊，媽媽就會叮嚀你。哲修，幾點了？還在幹嘛？趕快！
不用上課嗎？
沒錯，我們就來教這樣的狀況好了 ，Alright? Do you know what time it is right now? You got to go to bed. From a parent's perspective, let's put you in a situation, a dialogue about maybe a mom or dad telling his son or daughter, "Do you know what time it is? Go to bed right now." Let's listen.
唔知呀，下幾多點麼？
唔知，讓白黑麼？
哎呀嘞，客家管鐵天咯，去睡麼？
好 ，Let's break it down one by one. OK， 我們第一句話是問說，你知道現在幾點嗎 ？Do you know what time it is right now？ 而且是那種生氣的哦。
唔知呀，下幾多點麼？
唔知呀，下幾多點麼？你知道現在幾點鐘嗎？這樣子。Okay, so the next line actually the response is I don't know why. What's up？ 不知道怎麼了嗎？
唔知用白黑麼？
唔知用白黑麼？
還要裝無辜，我不知道怎麼了嗎？
很晚了，趕快關掉電腦去睡覺 ，right？It's late. Turn off your computer and go to sleep.
哎呀嘞，
哎呀嘞，
客家管鐵天咯，
客家管鐵天咯，
去睡麼？
去睡麼 ？OK， 去睡麼，趕快去睡覺。然後那個電腦啊，天諾要趕快把它給關掉，關掉。Okay, that means to turn off. All right, I'm sure a lot of kids can relate to this, but before we get into the conversation again, let's review some of these terms so you remember them, such as 很晚了。
哎呀嘞，
哎呀嘞 means it's too late, and then turn off computer 關掉電腦，
管鐵天咯，
關掉電腦 and then 趕快去睡覺。
去睡麼？
去睡麼 that means to go to bed, go sleep right now. All right, and this whole month we're teaching you the phrase 幾點 what time?
幾多點？
幾多點 And now let's listen to the conversation one more time.
唔知呀下幾多點麼？
唔知，讓白黑麼？
哎呀嘞，客家管鐵天咯，去睡麼？
好，身為父母，應該也是常常這種事情會發生。
是啊，我都會說你再不睡覺，我明天都不叫你了。
可是常常呢，是大人還熬夜，真是不應該。All right, that is today's conversation on Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.